G'day, I'm Peter. I'm here at Envirohack in Brisbane, and today we've been playing around some of the data sets provided by the Queensland Government and also by timeseries. We've been looking at the fractional cover data set, and basically what that is it's a Landsat scale data set that is produced every 3 months, I suppose, going back to mid-1980s, I suppose. So there's about 105 of these very large images over all of Queensland, and they're all sitting on a geoserver somewhere. Just to explain the data set, I'm here next to a paddock. This is an indoor sort of a paddock, but the fractional cover set basically gives you the percentage of green cover, sort of litter, I suppose, and also the amount of bare soil that's present in the environment every 30 metres over all that time period. Now, the value of that is particularly for landholders. So they're interested in how much green feed is available, and also how much bare ground, because that's a measure of land stress. So what we've been working on is ways of visualising this data set. So the idea behind it is the farmer can basically walk out to the paddock and open up his mobile device, and we'll just move over here where it's a bit sort of brighter so you can see what's going on. So here we have a fractional cover image. In this case we've got paddock boundaries here, and you can see on this image here that the amount of green, for example, there's a little bit of green here, is showing that there's a lot more, I suppose, green vegetation there. Over here we've got quite a lot of dry vegetation. And so we can visualise any one of the given images in time. So in real time we can get the data coming back. But what people are interested in is what's been happening over time. So in which parts of the paddock have been grazed heavily. And so we've been working on a tool that can interrogate the data set, and when you click on a point, it brings up a nice time series plot. So in this case here we've got a time series plot of the amount of bare vegetation over time, the amount of green vegetation, and the amount of dry vegetation, once again going from 2013 all the way back to 1986. And you can see that this paddock here really has just been varying over time. It's been greening up in summer and haying off over winter. And the advantage of this is that you can actually start comparing different bits of the paddock and using this rich data set, which really comprises about 20 gigabytes of data. No, 100 gigabytes of data, but actually access it on a mobile phone. That's what we've got to today. We're still battling with geoserver to get everything running, but we've got a few mock-ups going. So, g'day, other states.